Hi, this is Margaret with Noble Desktop, and today we will be looking at comparison view in the Lumitre color workspace. So sometimes your footage will be shot at different times of day. This is a good example. Here's one lighting, and here's another. Now, I'd like to have this clip appear to be taken exactly at the same time and place as this clip. So what you would do, make sure that you are in your workspace called Color. It's a good thing to always keep your Lumitre scopes up. Under Color Wheels and Match, you're going to put your playhead on the clip that you would like to change. So I'm going to click now on Comparison View. This was found right under Color Wheels and Match. Now this took me right to that other clip because it happens to be the only clip on the timeline, but these arrows would take you to every clip that there is on the timeline. So it's all set up for me to simply say Apply Match. And once I do that, there's a significant change already. It already looks a lot better. There's been some changes with the shadows, the midtones, and the highlights. So the changes here are inviting me to perhaps go a little further. Maybe the shadows could be a little more yellow. Maybe the highlights likewise could be a little more yellow. I'm just looking right now at the green of the wood. Not quite. Maybe I'll just take this out of the blue a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good. Just tiny, tiny adjustments because it definitely put me in the ballpark at what it was. I'm going to press the letter F. So this was it before, and this is it now. You can see what a difference it made. Now, to get out of comparison view, you click on this icon again. This is the icon for comparison view. You could just keep that down here. And so your comparison view, you'll be able to shut it off here instead of having to come up here and do it. You could always have this available to you. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson on comparison view. This has been Margaret with Noble Desktop.